So guys, we were discussed about the invoice supplier report. Invoice supplier report. So we will see one more report, similar kind of report. I will tell you with some more examples. Okay. More example we'll see. Supplier name, invoice number, invoice date, invoice amount, invoice currency, payment status name, bid status. So we are going to display this many columns in the report. Okay. First step is find out the subject area name. Find out the subject area name. Find out the subject area. Do one, two.
తలుపే మగన ఆయన తలుపే
Find out the subject area name. Go to the create analysis. Use search invoices related. Will take some time to fetch all the subject areas. You can go to the payable invoice, transaction real time. Payable invoice, transaction real time. Subject area name. Real time. So whatever the columns client has given, that we need to use. that we need to add in the report. Okay. So what is the first column? BU name. Check the business unit. BU name. Supplier name, invoice number. Supplier name. Invoice number. Invoice number.
Invoice date.
Date, invoice.
Invoice data.
Invoice date and invoice amount. Invoice date. Amount.
Invoice currency.
Invoice currency.
Payment status name.
First question.
Payment status name. Status. Okay. So the columns, whatever the client has given, that added in the report. This is the report layout. So after you added the columns, what is the next step? We need to add the columns. And columns. Add the columns in the report. Report layout. Next step is what? Save the report. So when we save the report, how many folders available? 2 folders available. My folder and shared folder. My folder and shared folder. So development time you can keep in the my folder. After development completed, then you can keep in the shared folder. Copy paste. So while you do the development time, you can keep in the my folder. After development done, you can paste in the shared folder. So what I will do? My supplier. My supplier BU report. Save the changes. Save the changes. Click on results. You will see the data. So the first thing is save the report in my folder. Save the report in my folder. Next to fourth step. Save the report in my folder. Fourth step. So remove the scrolling. How to remove the scrolling? Properties. After you save, go to the properties, content page. Click on it. Click on properties and content paging is it, so that this one content. If you want to change the title, change the title. Change the title of the report. Change the title of the report. Noise supplier BU report. You want to change the color of the title, like this one. Right. Save, done. Name is. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Change the title of the report. Okay. No. So guys, here another requirement is, for example, every supplier. For example, if you see A1 juice supply something in there, no? So this supplier, so this is the supplier name, and these invoice numbers are coming, right? These are the invoice numbers. So what client is saying, the supplier name should not be repeated. For example, A1 juice supply, the invoice numbers will come here, but this will not be repeated.
Ramsey, can you say once how to remove the scroll?
How to remove the?
Scroll.
Okay. So go to the properties, content paging. Content paging.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, so now next one, supplier name should not repeat. Supplier name should not repeat for every invoice. Supplier name should not repeat for every invoice. So what I will do? So go to the prop. Okay. Go to the supplier name. So basically it is coming like this case. Supplier name, I will tell you. Example. Here supplier name A1 supplier and invoice number. Again A1 supplier, invoice number. Again A1 supplier. But client expectation is, so this is the way it is coming. But client expectation is they want to display like this. In supplier name should not be repeated. Invoice numbers will come here. Currently it is coming. Unexpected is below. So go to the criteria. Go to the criteria. Go to the criteria. Criteria. Here go to the column properties. Column properties. Column properties, column format. So it is coming repeat, right? So remove this one. Remove the repeat. Suppress. So go to the supplier name, column properties, column format. Repeat was there. I remove the repeat and put the suppress. Click on OK. Save the changes. Next. So it will come back. Supplier name is not repeating invoice numbers. Supplier name is not repeating their invoice numbers. Enter. Understand or not? So you have to go like this. Criteria, supplier name, column properties, column format. Repeat was there. I remove the repeat. Put the suppress. Guys, I am going anything fast, or do you want to repeat anything here once again?
I mean, is it suppressed supplier names, right? I mean, like we have Dell Linux, JGA. It doesn't repeat it, right?
JGA, we have only 2 invoice numbers are there.
Okay. It.
For Dell, we have
So,
only 1 invoice number here.
oh, what I mean, like, please differentiate between the old report and the new report. I mean, like, before it shows only uh, only 2 many invoice numbers, but it's showing now only 1 invoice number, right? That's it.
No, this is different invoices, no?
Okay.
One supplier we have 1 invoice or multiple invoices? Multiple invoices, right?
Supplier wise invoices are coming.
Supplier wise invoices coming, correct? Supplier wise invoices are coming.
Okay.
So previously what happened? Here the supplier name same, here supplier name same, here supplier name same. But we don't want to repeat the supplier name for every invoice. So client expectation is this is the I told you, no? So this is what. So previously it was coming like that. I removed the repeated values. Understand or not?
Got it.
Okay. Next requirement, add the logo in the report. Add the logo in the report. How to add the logo? Click on logo. I want to display this logo. Display this logo. Save. Done. Next. Noise supplier behavior report. This is the logo. Select this option. Check this checkbox. Here multiple images are there. So whichever the image you want to display, you can display here. Whichever the image you want to display, you can display. Save. Done.
If I want to add new logo,
New logo also we can add. You want to add the new logo. If you want to add the new logo, what you will do, click on edit view. Select here. Go to custom image. Go to custom image. Go to custom image. We need to upload that here.
Okay.
Custom image. We need to upload. Custom image. Upload here. So how to upload the image. See, after you upload, right, immediately it will not affect. I uploaded the image. Immediately it will not come. So it will take some time to come. Maybe it will take 20-25 minutes. It will take to appear here. After end of the class, we will see today this image uploaded or not. Okay, no? So still image not loaded, right? See. So it will take some time to upload. So after upload, it will affect here. The changes. I'll show you once again how to upload the new image. Go to select image. Go to select image. Custom images. Upload image. So the image will be uploaded here.
Image format should be in PNG format or any other format?
Any format it will work. Any format it will work.
Any format. Okay, thank you.
Any format it will work. So now what I will do? Okay. And one more requirement is here. One more requirement. I want to display the time when you run the report. I would like to display the time. Same thing. Go to the edit. So started time do not display there. No? So you display the display time. Display time. Next, one more thing. Display the time. Next to 9. Next, one more thing. Invoice. Okay, payment status name we'll see. Payment status name. If the payment status name fully paid, display green color. If the payment status name is fully paid, display green color. The payment status name is fully paid, display green color. Not paid. The payment status name is not paid, display red color. The payment status name value is fully paid, display green color. The payment status name is not paid, display red color. So for that, payment status name, column properties, conditional format, payment status name, column properties, conditional format, payment status name, right click, column properties, this window will be open, conditional format, add condition. Set the payment status name here, value, payment status name, fully paid, click on OK. Here you need to display the color, display the green color. Click on OK, click on OK. Save the changes. Details. Right. Yes or not? So I will show you in a second. Yes. So I will show you not paid so that you will understand. Huh? Go to the criteria. Payment status name. Column properties. Conditional format. Add condition. Payment status name equal to not paid. Click on OK. Not paid, what color you want to display? Red color. Save the changes. Results. Understand or not?
Understand.
Okay.
Vamsi, can you show one more time?
Go to the criteria. Payment status name. Column properties. Conditional format. Add condition. Payment status name. Not paid. Click on OK. Change the color. Click on OK. OK. 3 times you can press the OK.
Okay.
So this is the 9th one. Next, create the custom column. Display the outstanding invoice amount. Display the outstanding invoice amount. So outstanding invoice amount, how we can display invoice amount minus paid invoice amount. Invoice amount minus paid invoice amount. So that is the outstanding invoice amount. Invoice amount minus paid invoice amount, that is the outstanding invoice amount. So what we will do here, go to the results. New calculated measure. New calculated measure. Yeah. You mention name, any name, outstanding. Navigation I'll show you. So this is the menu bar, guys. In the menu bar, you have to go like this. New calculated measure. In the menu bar, go to the new calculated measure. In the menu bar, new calculate measure. Click on this one. In the menu bar, go to the new calculate measure. So this name, any name. Column name also you can give any name. Column name you can give any name. Outstanding invoice amount. So what you will do here? Invoice amount. Invoice amount. Invoice amount. Just click on this arrow mark. Invoice amount. Just click on this arrow mark. Invoice amount. Click on arrow mark, and then put the cursor here. Minus. Again put the cursor here. Then paid invoice amount. Put the cursor here. Select this one. Paid invoice amount. Invoice amount minus paid invoice amount. That is called outstanding invoice amount. Click on OK. Yeah. Mission or not? Anything I'm going fast, guys, or do you want to show once again?
Not required.
Okay, very good. Outstanding invoice. Outstanding. Next one more. So display invoice amount 1% is delivery charges. So I can say add the delivery charges column. Delivery charges column, which is 1% from invoice amount. Can anyone tell the formula, guys? Same thing, right?
Go to new calculated measure.
Invoice amount into 1%.
Yeah, how to write? Go to the
Measure.
new calculated measure. Go to new calculated measure. Go to new calculated measure.
Folder heading delivery charges in bracket
Charges.
in bracket 1%.
So now what we will do here? Go to the invoice details. Go to the invoice details. Invoice amounts. So you click on invoice amount.
Invoice amount
Select this arrow mark
into 1%.
into. Again put the cursor here. So 1% means 0.01. 0.01.
See, instead of we can give 1%, that is okay, na?
Anything is. See, our understanding is what how we can do the formula for the. You can put the percentage one also, it will work.
That is okay. Percentage, add a percentage into 1%.
Yeah. Click on OK. Like this. So these kind of requirements will come, guys. So guys, do you feel anything I am going fast? I can show once again, guys.
No, Vamsi, okay.
Okay, very good. Next, 11. So guys, one more requirement here. One more requirement. Let's say, so here invoice amount is there. Invoice amount, client expectation is to display US currency data. Invoice amount is there, no, this invoice amount. So basically these business units are coming more right here, because in the data access for users, they added multiple business units. That is the reason it is coming. But client expectation is to display only US business unit. So now, when the US business unit will be there, so now you need to display invoice amount like this, 1000 separators. 1000 separators. So you know 1000 separators. For example, 12,000 is there. So it should come like this: 12 comma 00 00. 12 comma 000.00, and prefix with the dollar. So how to do that? Go to the criteria,
Column property.
column properties, data format, override the default data format. Currency, you can put the dollar symbol, decimal places, use 1000 separator. Use the 1000 separator. Click on OK. Right. Understand, right?
Vamshi,
Vamshi, can you show data format again?
Okay. Go to the criteria. Invoice date. Invoice date. Not invoice date, right? Invoice amount. Column properties. Data format. Override the default data format. Currency. Currency symbol. Decimal places 2. If you want, you can use the 3 also.
okay, Vamshi, it's showing invoice currency in USD and AUD. Can we normalize it to any one currency?
No, you put the business unit name here. So because the data access for users, so people given BU name as all, right? That is the reason it is coming here. But if you put
I
the
mean, like,
USD,
okay, Australia business unit uses Australian dollar and US business unit uses US dollars, right? Why don't we normalize it Australian dollars to US dollars and everything should be in US dollars, right?
you can filter here, na? Invoice currency, you can filter here. Go to the filter.
It's not about, I mean, like, okay, each Australian business unit shows Australian currency and US business unit shows US currency. That's it, right? We can't normalize every unit to one currency.
Correct. You are understanding correct.
Okay.
Put the USD here. Zero. And one more example. how to pass the parameter or prompt. How to pass the parameter or prompt. So what we will do here, for example, I would like to select the BU name here. So based on the BU name, the data will come here. Okay, otherwise I'll pass the supplier name here. Based on the supplier name, the data should be filtered. So that is called parameter. For that, what we will do, go to the table, edit, table, edit, table, edit. So what we will do here, supplier name, drag and drop it the table prompts. Table prompts. Right. Save, done. So for example, this A1 juice supply, this is the invoices. If I select the ABC consulting, different invoices. Right. So based on the supplier name selection, invoice data coming. So once again, it is clear.
One second. Can you cancel the supplier name and try one?
Just go to the edit here. Go to the edit here. So whatever the column is, just drag and drop the column to table prompts. Drag and drop the column to table prompts. I'm putting the back to everything. Okay. So what you will do, table here, edit, go to the supplier name, put like this, save, done, like this. Understand, or do you want to show once again?
Not yet, but we can discuss.
Hmm?
Understand.
Okay.
See,
Yeah,
we add a prompt to a column, then it will not be appearing in the table, right?
you can add one more now here. You can add supplier name again. You want to display, you can add here.
Okay.
But there is no cells, right? For example, if you're selecting here again, it is the same value, it is come, right?
Yeah.
Again, if you want to remove the parameter, what you will do, go here.
And verify. Verify.
Done. Like this. And the image is not showing, right? Let's try custom images. Now click on OK. Save. It is coming now. Hmm? Okay. And make sure that, guys, whatever you are developing the reports, right? So make sure that what we will do, you invoice supplier view report, you archive that. So that, for example, this instance expire, if the instance expire, then you can use in the other instance.
Vamshi, I have one doubt. If we archive that report, then when we migrate to another instance, what about the data which is different? Is the data different from this instance and other instance? What can we do? I mean,
Data
like subject area.
obviously different, na? Data obviously
I mean, like we can only use the columns, right? We can only use that report. We
correct.
can't combine. We can't join with that other subject areas reports and other columns, right?
Yeah. Correct.
I mean, like only we can only we had accumulated some 10 columns in this in one instance, and we migrated it to another instance, and in that other instance, subject area and columns are different, but
Same, na?
we can
Subject area columns are same.
same. Okay.
Data will be
I mean,
different.
like data will be different.
Data may or may not different. But all the
Okay.
demo instances, data also same. But in the real
Okay.
instances,
I mean, like in real time, I'm asking about real time. In real time, we can't migrate, right? The data and column names are also different, right?
column names are same for every instance. Any real-time instance are the same.
Column names are right. Only data difference. So
Only
that
data
we can join other data to our created our old report, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Stopping for today, guys. Next class on Monday. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you give us some examples so we can practice at home?
Examples, huh?
Yes.
Whatever
Regarding
I'm
developing reports.
Okay.
Vamshi, subject areas also different, same.
Subject area same for every instance.
Column names and subject areas
Column
are
name, subject area same for every instance.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Take care. Thank you.